Welcome to World Academy UK, one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having a presence in around 100 countries. Are you tired of the financial and cultural impact of employee turnover holding your organization back? Join us for the Employee Turnover Cost Calculation and Reduction course. This comprehensive program is designed for HR professionals, managers and business leaders who want to master the art of managing and reducing employee turnover. You'll learn the ins and outs of employee turnover, its causes and its costs, and discover actionable strategies to mitigate its effects. From calculating the total cost of turnover to developing cost-effective retention strategies, this course will equip you with the tools and knowledge to drive employee engagement, satisfaction and retention. With a focus on data-driven decision-making and organizational alignment, you'll be able to measure and analyze employee turnover rates accurately, identify the root causes and patterns contributing to employee turnover, classify and calculate the direct, indirect and intangible costs of turnover, develop cost-effective strategies for reducing turnover rates, align employee retention initiatives with organizational goals and culture, enhance employee engagement and job satisfaction to promote retention. Don't let employee turnover hold your organization back any longer. Sign up for Employee Turnover Cost Calculation and Reduction today and start building a culture of retention and engagement. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.